A conveyor dryer is a great way to increase production speed and achieve a more reliable cure. Let's talk about conveyor dryers for a minute. There are plenty of options to choose from, so there's one that fits every size shop. The tabletop conveyor is the smallest of the conveyor dryers. It is compact and can fit in small spaces. Place it on top of a cart or a table and roll it out of the way when you don't need it. A larger dryer, like the Ryonet 245 or 248, is a great versatile option. The 245 and the 248 have longer tunnels and a larger heating element to cure garments with virtually no worries. The longer the dryer tunnel, the bigger the bullseye. If you're printing with water-based inks, you'll want to consider a Ryonet forced air conveyor dryer to cure those inks with confidence. The first zone is a flash zone where it heats up rapidly, becoming 50% hotter than the rest of the dryer. It'll evaporate the water from the water-based inks quickly, and then dwell for an extended period of time in the second zone as its cure temperature. Combine those with the forced air technology, the dryer achieves great results. Conveyor dryers are a great, reliable curing source. Depending on the dryer you have, you'll be able to choose the heat and belt speed settings to dial it in for the job you're printing. All conveyors come with some basic controls. On-off switches for the belt and heating element, as well as a belt speed control. Larger dryers like the Ryonet 245 also include a temperature control, while compact dryers do not have this feature. It's important to plug the conveyor dryer into the right outlet. The Ryonet 245, for example, requires a dedicated 240 volt 20 amp circuit. Make sure your shop has the proper plugins for the dryer you want to use. When you are done using a conveyor dryer, turn off the heat but leave the belt running. The belt is at risk of melting or being damaged if it is left under the heat in the conveyor. Keep the belt moving until all the heat dissipates. The main differences between curing with a flash and curing with a conveyor dryer are the time and consistency. As you print more colors, your ink layer gets thicker and thicker. This makes curing with a flash time-consuming and difficult to keep consistent cure across the whole print. This makes a conveyor dryer a worthy investment. Testing for proper cure is very important. Let's talk about using a laser temp gun to check and see if our print has been fully cured. Thanks for watching, screen printers. If you found this video helpful, you won't want to miss our comprehensive online course, How to Screen Print with a Kit 250 edition, available exclusively on screenprinting.com. Watch today for free and take your skills to the next level.